Okay, so I've decided to do a little video on the Hot Springs Rhythm model. I've had this tub now for about 3 months. Prior to buying it, I couldn't really find any sort of videos from people that actually own one. Quite a few from sort of manufacturers, etc. in America, but nothing from anyone that owns one here in the UK. So I've had this for about 3 months. It measures 2.13 meters square, and it's just short of a meter high, so it's quite a nice deep tub, which is what I wanted. Came with the cover and the steps, which you can see right there. Really decent cover, well insulated. It just folds back. I'd also recommend you getting a lifter. This makes it easier when you're trying to, if you need to store the actual cover itself. This makes the whole thing a lot easier than trying to find somewhere to store your cover once you've lifted it off. So it's a 7-seater. There's no lounger in this one. I didn't really want to go for the lounger because it kind of takes up a bit too much room. I think it'd be a little bit cramped with 7 people in, to be honest, but there's me and the wife and the 2 kids, and there's plenty of room for us, which is what I wanted. You've also got the little foot spa in the middle, so I didn't really see the need for the lounger. It's got 35 jets placed around the tub. This is the filter, which is pretty easy to clean. Just unscrew it and rinse it down every sort of week or so. I've had the water in here now for 3 months. It's still pretty crystal clear. I'm quite happy with it. I do keep on top of the chemicals with it. All I would say is, from experience, is make sure you have a shower, especially the kids if they've got sun cream on, and rinse your swimwear in fresh water before getting in. I did have a problem with foaming beforehand, and it was because we weren't showering before we got in or rinsing our swimwear down. We seem to have got on top of that problem now. 35 jets, sorry, like I say, hydrotherapy, placed by experts exactly where they should be for that hydrotherapy experience. You don't need a tub with 90 odd jets in it. It's just pointless. It just uses far too much energy and you'll lose heat really quickly. You just need jets placed where they're supposed to be. Use this pretty much every day, to be honest. I have it set at, this is the control panel, I have it set at 37.5, which is pretty hot actually, and it keeps its heat really well. It's supposed to be one of the best ones on the market for heat retention and energy efficiency. I'll just quickly try and show you. So it has a clean mode. Go into clean mode, press plus, and it'll sort of set the filters running for 10 minutes to clean the tub. I do that pretty much once or twice a week, depending on how much usage it's had. I do find after each usage I am having to add chlorine, but that's because we use it a lot. This is the temperature, so plus and minus. I'll obviously change the temperature up and down. You've got the jets here. In an evening, I just like to keep it on this one. It's just nice and relaxing. Using these dials here, you can obviously turn the jets up or down. That controls that one. You've also got this little waterfall over there. I like to just keep it like that in the evening. It's just nice and relaxing. But if I do want all the jets on, you just go through the control panel, and there you've got all the jets going. Got a bit more of a waterfall, and like I say, with these dials here, it just increases the pressure all round on the jets, gets them going as much as you want. That's not even on full, and you can see they're quite powerful. There we go. Same again for that other one over there in the corner. One thing to keep it, if you wanted to keep sort of the cost down, is to make sure when you're finished, is to turn all your jets off turn them down to the lowest setting, so that when it's doing its filtration cycle, they're not on full blast, you're not getting a load of air into the tub, which is obviously will cool it down and cost more money to reheat it again. I just leave mine set at 37.5 for now. Don't know, it's increased the cost a little bit on the electricity, but not by vast amounts, but we'll see what happens come winter. I've got a blue thermal cover, like a bubble cover that goes on top of the water as well, which helps retain that heat. So there you have it, the Hot Springs Rhythm 7-seater.